food is porn. And I'm a porn star. What I care the most is that every guest come here will leave behind with a memory that is a beautiful memory of food in Bangkok. We've won all the accolades, we've won the attention of every possible food media award. But in the end, people have to come here for the food. You're not welcome to a restaurant, you're welcome to my house. When you look at Indian food, it was all about curry house. I said, hey, I'm an Indian and I have more pride in my own cuisine than any other cuisine because I was born Indian and I'd like to present Indian food which is beyond the boundary of the curry. Even before you eat the dish, there are many other senses that come in front. The smell of the dish, the visual of it. We make people eat with hands. And why by hand is because finally I took pride of being an Indian. Feel it, feel its temperature, feel its sensuality, whether it's fragile or it's hard or it's wet or it's cold or it's hot, which only can be felt when you touch it. One small mistake, it costs the whole restaurant. Every day, 90% of the people come here to judge us. This year is the toughest year. I'm working harder. I've achieved all I could do from one restaurant. But what is my challenge is to beat myself. I won't quit cooking. All I want to do is evolve. And I believe in Phoenix. Because if you don't burn, you will never rise again. Cook. Cook till you die.